Thank you for watching. Hey gals and gents, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing this look right here. I'm basically doing a Chinese bang with locks. Right, let's get started. So I've been using a new oil lately, and it's because I have dandruff through and it's coming through very strong. So I've been using new oil on my locks, locks, you know, for this hairstyle. This oil I just basically, it's neem leaf oil. Let me see if you guys can see that. It's a neem leaf oil, and I basically just put it through my scalp so my scalp can have some moisture. I do this every morning and every night for 3 days through the week. But since I'm doing a style, we're gonna wear it. We're gonna do it now. One thing I like about locks is it's so versatile, like and it doesn't have to be perfect. So for this style, I get like a little zigzag. I don't use comb that much. I basically just use my fingers. Now keep in mind, now you have locks, so the parts don't have to be perfect. You just want a style. That's all you're worrying about, the part. We already know our parts goes a bunch of different ways. I'm gonna put this side up just to hold itself, and then we're gonna work on this side. We want 2 cute buns. I like my hair to be all the way to the top. I don't know why. Even for my ponytails, I just push it all the way to the top. Two elastics. You can use elastics, you can use scrunchie, but I use elastics because my hair don't last long in these styles. I take it out right after I done take a picture out and go where I have to go. Now time for us to do the next side. So what I'm doing is my hands is basically my comb. I don't use combs for nothing. So try your best to position your ponytails together. It's looking cute already. I think they even. What do you think? I think they even. Now time for us to create our bun. Now keep in mind, I can say this again, locks are not supposed to be perfect. Fix it how you like to, what style, whatever suits you. Now for my buns, I love to play around with it. So I normally twist the two and play around, keep twisting until I get the desired look and shape I want. See, like that? I basically just twist it around in a big twist, and then put some elastics on. Put some elastics over it. Hold it and put an elastic over it. See, I want some to be spiking out. Okay, I think that's like perfect enough. I think that's like perfect enough. What do you think? I think that's cute. Alright, we're gonna do exact same thing. Take some from here and then twist it. Twist it and wrap it around the hair. Twist it and then fold it. The key is to have fun with it. Take out 1, 2 oats. Take out set oat will be 1 oat. This is giving me something. Whatever it's given, it's cute. Now, let's do our edges. And that's what the look we're trying to go for, and then we can add some accessories. See, this style is so quick and easy to achieve. So I'm gonna tie it on my edges, and now you guys can see why I kept some oats. For this look, we need some chopsticks. So time to add some accessories in. Time to get creative. Oh, and I also got these from the beauty supply store. These some little clips. Okay, our edges should be done. Yes. Okay, I don't like that, so that's gonna cool or something. See? My edges are done. Time to add some accessories. What's the purpose of me leaving them out? Man, you guys can see. I gotta bring it up closer. Let me see. Look at that. We coming together. Man. I know y'all can see these. Cause like, from me, the camera ain't picking it up. But on this side, it look cute. Like really cute. Time to add these chopsticks. I know it ain't only me. You just get excited about something. Okay. You guys can see that? Look at this.